Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today we're doing one of my favorite types of videos, a Planner Kate haul. I'm going to be showing you my most recent purchase from her site. I did purchase a new sticker album as well as a bunch of new stickers that I need to use in my planner. So let's get started. So starting off, this is the new sampler sticker album by Planner Kate. It is supposed to house her sampler stickers, and I purchased this because I am starting to have a growing collection of these stickers and I like to have them organized in a way that works for me. So as you can see, there are quite a bit of pages here that will house all of my sampler stickers, and once I open my package I'll show you how they fit. But this is great because I can now categorize them or color code them however I need to organize them in order to keep them in order. So I'm very excited to get that. And also I purchased quite a bit of new stickers. I needed to update some. She had some new release stickers that I was very interested in, and you'll see that basically I just got sticker happy again, and I haven't purchased stickers from her shop in a while. Let's see what's inside. So as you know, Planner Kate always provides her business card with her purchases. She includes a bunch of sampler stickers. These are the stickers that I'm talking about that are needed for this particular sticker album, and I'll just show you. This is one of the PK doodles in colors, which I love because I am a colorful planner. But you basically just stick it in the little pocket here. Probably the other way around would be more helpful. And you would have, these are colorful box stickers, and these all come free. You get 5 with each purchase, so these were all included with my purchase. This is some dot stickers, very cute. And then these are some checkbox stickers, colorful checkboxes. And this is what a full sheet would look like in this planner. So you get 4 rows of the sampler stickers, and if you have multiples, which I do quite a few of some of these, you can just stick them behind each other. These pockets are pretty thick. Someone had asked me an idea to use these little square stickers, and I would say they're really good for tracking your steps and weight. You could put your steps up top or your weight down the bottom, or if you're tracking your blood pressure or any other kind of health or wellness statistics, these stickers would be great for those. The other ones, I think we all know there are quite a few different uses for, but I just wanted to point that out. That is an example of how the sampler album looks, and I'm super excited to organize this and include all of the different samplers that I have. And maybe I'll do a flip through at some point in the future to show you my collection and how I'm storing and organizing all of my sampler stickers. Okay, so let's get to, let me just show the last 2 stickers that I also received. I did receive this group of box stickers as well, and then also these stickers, which I think I have a set of these also, colorful script stickers, so it just gives you some prompts for the different types of appointments you may have in your day. Very cute and very pretty colors. So this is my actual purchase. As you can see, she's a bit thick. She's a little chunky. But I did get some really great things, a couple kits, all those types of things. So the first thing I purchased were these Don't Forget stickers, and I really do love the cute little ribbon around the finger. I just thought they'd be a great addition to my various planners, so I really did love the idea of these. I also love these strips of washi along the ends. I don't know if a lot of people actually use those, but I tend to just cut them off when I'm done with all the stickers and use them in my planners as well. So I love this little black and white pattern on these stickers also. The next thing I purchased, and I'm really excited about these, Planner Kate just recently released a bunch of wacky holidays, so to speak, and they are literally for every month of the year, January through December, and she does all the work for you. I know Happy Planner has created similar stickers in the past, pretty illustrations, but they didn't have the numbers beside them, so you had to go and do research to figure out when those days actually occurred. I love that Planner Kate has already did the work for you and just letting you know the days in the month when these different days occur, and you can use any, all, or none of them. But I think they're so cute. You have Bubble Bath Day, Eat Ice Cream Day, Random Act of Kindness Day, National Handwriting Day. We recently had National Sticker Day. So there's all these great little unique holidays that people celebrate throughout the year that you can now add to your planner. And I love these stickers. They are so cute. Each one has a small illustration to go along with the day. And I cannot wait to use these in my planners. I'm still trying to decide which one I'm going to put them in. I'll have to figure out which one has a monthly calendar that doesn't already have a lot of things on it, but you definitely will see me start adding these to my planners. The next thing I have are these telehealth stickers. So between my daughter and I, we just both have a lot of doctor's appointments throughout the month, and I thought these were really cute to have the little phone icons and just a quick reminder of our telehealth appointments. Very cute. I always love the Planner Kate script stickers for that. Then I also had to purchase a new set of the work from home stickers. As you know, I've been working from home since last February, and I do still like to track that in my planners, just to let me know my status at this point and to be able to go back and reflect on that, days I actually work and days I'm off. So I purchased a new sheet of these stickers to add to my collection. I do still have a few left from my prior sheets, but I'm running out very quickly and need some of these colors, so I just wanted to get a new sheet to add to my collection. The next thing I have are these boxes. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I like to use these in my daily Petite planner to mark appointments and special events. I had completely run out of them. That's how much I use them. So I did purchase actually 2 new sheets of them so I can also have matches on the designated days. So I'm excited to start using these in my planners again as well. I also purchased these little small squares. I've started to use these a lot more in my various planners, and I love the colors and how they coordinate with my different themes. So I purchased a new sheet of the smaller boxes as well. I also purchased these oval stickers, and I have to admit, I absolutely love these. I don't think I use them enough in my planners. I just love the fact that they have the unique shape and pretty colors. So I purchased another sheet so that I will hopefully be able to use them more as I continue planning this year. And then this is actually a sampler sheet from one of her collections. It's MK313C if you're interested, the weekly sampler sheet. And it has 2 strips of washi, lots of boxes, several little script stickers, icons, everything you would need. I actually wanted to try one of these kits in my Live Rich planner, and I just thought this one was absolutely stunning. So I plan to use this in my Live Rich planner. I also purchased this kit as well. Very similar setup. This is another weekly sampler kit. I just love the florals and the different colors, and I wanted to use this in my Live Rich planner as well. This is the March Daily Petite planner sticker set, and it actually comes with, well, it doesn't come with it. You have to purchase it in addition, but the script stickers are on a separate sheet. You purchase both of those to be able to complete the Petite monthly spread. spread. So this will go in my daily Petite planner, and I love the fact that she's rounded the edges on these now. Days of the week are attached to the month, and then you also have all of these nice holidays up here. I really do love that. This particular kit is super cute to me as well with the succulents, and I can't wait to put it in my planner. So that is my March Daily Petite Planner kit that I plan to use. This is my February kit. You may have watched one of my prior videos where I was talking about how these kits weren't quite working for me initially for the January kit, but I can see already that she made quite a bit of improvements to them. The only thing I can still see is that this box sticker is still pretty narrow, but maybe I can find another way to decorate that open space in that section. But I really do love these. They add a lot of color and themes, obviously, to my planner. In February, I just wanted to go with the traditional Valentine's Day theme for my monthly spread. And then last but not least, oh no, this is actually not last. This is another one of those weekly sampler kits. I wanted to use this one in February. So I think I purchased one of these weekly samplers to use each month in my Live Rich planner. So I have the monthly kits for my Daily Petite, and then I have these to do a weekly spread for each month that coordinates, sort of. No, not really, I guess. They don't necessarily coordinate, but these will be used on a monthly basis in my planners. I'll probably use one of these in April and just try to coordinate things, but this is definitely for February, and one of these will be for March, and one will be for April. Then I also have Don't Forget stickers. I'm actually almost out of the first sheet that I had, so I needed to restock my collection for that. And then also today's stickers, I use those a lot in my Daily Petite planner as well. So I did purchase a new set of these script stickers for my planners. As you can see, I did do a bit of damage with this recent order, but I do love all of these stickers. I most likely will not need to put in another purchase for a month or so. So I'm super excited to be able to use these new stickers in my planner and my new sticker album to organize my stickers. Today we're doing a sticker haul from Monarch Plans. This is one of my favorite sticker shops on Etsy. It's a newer shop, and the owner has created some really great script stickers as well as themed kits for those that use the Erin Condren, and I think she even designs them for plum paper. I'm not exactly sure, but I definitely recommend checking out her shop, and I will have it linked in the description. So let's open up and see what I purchased this time. Okay, so the first item that I purchased were these colorful monthly stickers. I plan to use them in my Live Rich planner, and I just love the font and the vibrant colors. I think they may correspond with the Erin Condren colors. I'm not exactly sure, but either way, I definitely plan to use them in my planners. I also purchased the monthly script stickers in black because I just like to alternate sometimes depending on my mood or design aesthetic, and I thought these were, once again, a really nice font and nice size for my planners. The next thing I ordered were these Instagram story stickers. And I actually think I customized these because I'm trying to customize my social media planner to really be able to track some specific things that I'm working on. So I did an Instagram story script sheet. I also did a blog script sheet. This was also a custom sheet. And by custom, I just simply mean you can create your own script, like whatever you want the sheet of stickers to say, and then she will print them out in the font. Instagram post. Binge watch. That's one of the regular scripts on her site. I just purchased this one. Payday. I needed more of these, so I purchased another set. Edit. Clean fridge. This one is a new one, but I do want to track monthly when I clean my refrigerator, so I purchased those. Afterpay due. I can't believe that I actually used this enough to have to buy these, but I have been recently, and I definitely want to track that. So I purchased a sheet of the Afterpays this week. I really do like these and plan to use them in my planners to watch, upload, therapy. And I do have actually therapy stickers from some other shops as well. But I just really love the script that she uses, and I wanted to alternate these in. Declutter, something I really plan to do this spring. Film. And last but not least, car wash. We have a new car wash that will be opening soon in my neighborhood, and I definitely want to start tracking when I go. And I also just like to wash my car regularly, so I wanted to be able to track that in my planner. So those are the stickers that I purchased from Monarch Plans. As I mentioned before, she has a whole plethora of different script stickers. Some of them that you wouldn't even think about for your planner or that you wouldn't find in other shops. So I definitely recommend checking out her Etsy shop, and as I mentioned, I'll put all of that information in the description below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!